Hi everyone, greetings to you all and welcome back to Authentic Cryptos. In this particular video, I'll be walking you guys through step-by-step guide on how to connect your memefi bot to the OKS airdrop checker. Alright, sorry guys that this video is coming somehow late due to some unforeseen circumstances, but if you are participating in this project and you haven't connected your wallet, then stick around this video as I will show you guys everything you're supposed to know and how to go about it. Alright, so first thing first, you have to make sure that you have a VPN in your phone and you get it activated so you can make use of any secured VPN of your choice for this particular exercise. For me, I'm making use of Tunnel VPN and I like connecting it to Norway or Hungary. It works best for me, so you should know the one that works best for you. So after you've set up your VPN, the next thing is to come to your memefi bot and click on this place that they wrote wallet. If you click on this wallet section, what you have to do is to click on this setting button and copy your seed phrase before you proceed. Okay, so you tap on this place that they wrote copy to clipboard, then you copy your seed phrase. This is the step-by-step guide. Firstly, you on your VPN. Secondly, you copy your seed phrase, then you head straight to the OKS app. Then as you head straight to the OKS app, you wait for them to load it up before you proceed. Okay, so they are setting it up. Let's just give them some time, then they will be done with the setting up, then we can proceed. And before you proceed with this exercise, make sure that your OKS is up to date. If it's not up to date, do well to update it. So once you get your interface like this, all you have to do is to click on this section that they wrote simple. You tap on this arrow here, then you choose this third side that they wrote web3 wallet. You click on the web3 wallet, then it will take you straight to the web3 wallet. So you wait for it to set up as well, then we'll proceed. Okay, this place that they wrote create wallet, I already have one. You choose the option of I already have one. Then that seed phrase you import, then you paste it. Sorry guys. So you use the option of this first one that says seed phrase or private key, because we already get our seed phrase. You click on it, then you click on OK. Then this place that they wrote paste, you just have to paste your seed phrase here. You click on paste, then you can see your seed phrase. The next thing is to hit the confirm button, then click on enable. Okay, for me, they want me to enable fingerprints. Then I'll use my fingerprint and confirm it. Then they are creating our wallet immediately. So you just have to give them time for them to set it up. Okay, so we are waiting for them to set it up. Beautiful. Network error. I think I'm having network challenges, so I'll just try my possible best to make this video as clear and detailed as I can, but you have to bear with me because I'm having network challenges. So now we've imported our wallet. The next thing is to proceed, but let me still refresh my network before we proceed. So once you've got your interface like this after importing your seed phrase, the next thing is to scroll up a bit, then hit on this particular arrow sign here so that we should activate SU network, which is where they are going to set the distribution. So once you are under manage crypto, you hit on the search button, you type SUI. That is the first one already. You can see that my own is already enabled, right? So if your own is under cross like this, all you have to do is just to tap on it so that it will show this particular button with this minus button. So this is how your own should be. Then you type for SUI. You can see it. See the SUI down here. You click on it this way, then it will be in your interface. Then you scroll back, scroll up a bit, make sure that it is under your dashboard here, so you guys can see it here already. So what we should do now is to proceed with the check-in. So you come to this sliding button, you can see it, slide it and locate this one that says check your memefi airdrop eligibility. Then you hit on the button and wait for them to bring it up for you to proceed. So let's just wait for them to bring it up, then we'll continue. So now you have to hit on this place that they wrote connect to Telegram. Either you choose this particular option or this particular option, they are the same thing. Then click on connect Telegram, then you wait for them to access it as well. So this is just the simple process that you should follow and get yours done. So when they say continue with Telegram, you click on continue, then you have to enter your Telegram number, then you proceed. Okay, you can see I'm making use of Norway, so I have to change my country to Nigeria, then I'll put my phone number. Alright, I'm done putting my phone number. The next thing is to hit on continue button, and you will see this type of message that says we've just sent you a message. So you have to minimize it, then head straight to your Telegram and confirm it. Alright, so that is it. You just have to minimize it and head straight to your Telegram and accept it. So this is the option here. This is where they told me that there's an update for me. Okay, this particular one that I wrote Telegram, you click on it, then you scroll up, you can see confirm, you click on confirm button. Alright, after you've confirmed it, the next thing is to go back to your OKS. It's very, very unfortunate. My network is very, very fluctuating, but we just have to move ahead, alright? So if you have a very good network, once you hit back, it will just bring you back automatically, but all the same, right? So that is it. I still have to repeat the process, click on continue. Then I still have to input my number because my network is bad. Then I continue the process. Then I head back to my Telegram. And they will still give me another notification. Then I will confirm it as well. It's connecting. Let's wait for it to done connecting, guys. Okay, I've already confirmed it. The next thing is to still go back to my OKS and wait for it to come up. My network is very, very bad. It's not connecting. Okay, beautiful. It has worked this time around. So this is how you will get your own. Once you see it like this, all you have to do is just to hit on the accept button. Then we have to accept the connection. After you've accepted it, then you click on continue. Then you wait for them to calculate your allocation and everything that you've got from memefi. So they are calculating it. Alright, so you just have to wait for them to bring it up for you. Alright, this is how the dashboard is. It's still coming. You can still click on connect to Telegram again and still accept it again. Anyhow you see it going, just make sure you flow along with them. Alright, so this is it. My allocation is here, so I'm done connecting it. Alright, you can see everything. All these are my details in this particular project. So this is the major part. Alright, once you got it this way, you have already connected your memefi to the OKS checker. So the next thing now is to go back to the memefi bot and claim your bonus. That one is to claim your bonus, but since I'm having bad network, I don't think if it's going to work for me, but maybe just try. But once you got to this extent, just know that you have connected your memefi to OKS. So you go back a bit and check it as well. Alright guys, I've been trying to see if I can go and sign the contract in my Telegram bot, but my network is not forthcoming. Alright, but once you have already passed through the process through the OKS web3 bots, or let's say web3 wallets, just know that you have already opt-in for the airdrop checking. So once all your details are already showing in the OKS app, you have already opt-in. So the next thing, the last process is very simple if you can do it. So this is what you should do. After you've seen all your details, then you minimize it and go back to your Telegram bot. Then hit on the OKS task in your memefi bot. Then it will still bring you back to the OKS wallet. Then you click on connect. Then it will take you back. Then come back again, click on sign. Then you will receive your bonus. That is just what left. So I'll still try and see if I can meet up and drop the tutorial later on if my network permits. But this is the major thing that you're supposed to do. This is the major way to connect your wallet, alright? So that is just it, guys. See you guys in our next video as I try to refresh up for more updates. Bye for now.